Hold on, how long is Cyber? Okay, you got it. Drags up.
I think they're going for Baron.
Hey, really?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go for the steal.
Nah, yo, do we have a ward? Ward that shit.
He can steal it. Actually, Olaf is... Wow.
Alright, not too bad.
Wow. 10 out of 10 for that steal. GG, dude.
We can get Dragon too.